In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on the Nova trading bot. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you already do have a Nova account. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description down below that you could use in order to go ahead and make an account. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on menu, then go ahead and do /menu like so. I already did that before, but I'm just going to be doing it again for this video. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say copy trade. Then from here, go ahead and select on this option that does say start a new task to start actually, copying trading wallets. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then from here, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select a wallet address you want to copy trades from. So once you went ahead and put in a wallet, here's how things will look like. So it will tell you the status of it. It will tell you the buy and target wallet over here. It will say the buy method as well. And then you need to go ahead and configure these settings to your liking. So just make sure to go ahead and do your research, do your due diligence. So this video isn't really like financial advice or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys how to actually use the tools. But from here, you guys can go ahead and put in a minimum amount, maximum amount. You guys can put minimum buy trigger and maximum buy trigger as well. You guys can go ahead and sell it and buy it all from this one menu as well. So you guys could toggle on and off the task over here. So at the moment it is currently running, but if I wanted to stop it, all I need to do is press on that and then it will stop running. But yeah, you guys could also go ahead and adjust the fees over here. For example, we got the buy fees, and over here we do have these sell fees as well. So this is completely up to you to go ahead and configure. Just make sure you do your due diligence and research. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.